In this video, prepared by Confort Empresaria Latin America, we are going to study the heat pump. Let's start as usual with the basics. What is a heat pump? A heat pump is a device that uses mechanical energy to transfer heat from one place to another. It can be used as a cooling or heating system when used in reverse. What are the parts of a heat pump system? 1. Internal heat exchanger. It can be an evaporator in the heating cycle, or a condenser in the refrigeration cycle. 10. Pressure sensor. 11. Temperature sensor. 12. Four-way valve. What are the characteristics of a heat pump? 1. The four-way valve is a differentiating element of a reversible heat pump, and allows a mechanical compression unit to operate in heating or cooling mode. 2. The four-way valve is able to cause the direction of the refrigerant to change, so that the evaporator becomes a condenser, and the condenser becomes an evaporator, completing a reverse cycle phase. 3. Four-way valves are designed to guarantee a minimum pressure drop and a minimum risk of leaks. 4. The different models of four-way valves offer a wide range of connections, configurations and capacities for specific applications. 5. In heating mode, the air is expelled inside the premises. In this way, what entered as hot air now returns as cold air. The condenser expels the captured heat to the street. 6. Heat pumps are equipment that, using a refrigerant gas in a closed thermodynamic cycle, transfer heat between two sources at different thermal levels, causing said heat to flow from a lower to a higher temperature. How the four-way valve for cooling and heating works. In the photograph, a four-way valve can be seen with each of its ducts identified. Each way of the valve must be connected to a specific element of the circuit. Track A is connected to the compressor discharge. Via B is connected to the compressor suction. Track C is connected to heat exchanger number 1.
Via D,
It is connected to heat exchanger number 2. When the indoor heat exchanger works as an evaporator, it is operating in cooling mode, removing heat from the environment. When it works as a condenser, we are operating in heating mode. Heat is delivered to the environment. The four-way valve allows us to select which exchanger the discharge of the compressor is going to take. Cooling mode. The compressor discharge is directed to the chain heat exchanger,